We are going to examine the basic drawing tools that are a part of LayOut. Although we'll be showing the interface on a Windows machine, the tools work the same on a Mac. They're simply organized differently. To access the tools on a Mac, context-click on the toolbar and choose Customize Toolbar. You can now drag any icon to the toolbar. You can also access any tool through the Tools menu. Start with the Line tool and draw a sequence of straight lines across the page. The tool will snap in a vertical and horizontal direction and infer to other edges in a similar way that SketchUp does. You can tap the Escape key to finish drawing lines or draw a line back to the starting point, closing the shape. Use the Curve tool to draw straight and curving shapes together. Click your mouse between points to draw straight edges and drag the mouse button to create a curved shape. Create wavy and freeform shapes with the Freehand tool. The eraser will delete any shape or entity. You can click once to delete individual objects, or click and drag the mouse across multiple objects to erase them all when you release the mouse button. The basic rectangle tool draws rectangles based on two corners. Remember that inferring works with any drawing tool. There are several variations of the rectangle tool to create rounded corners or sides. The rounded rectangle tool chamfers the corners. Hold the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard while drawing the rectangle to change the radius of the corner arcs. The bulged rectangle creates a rectangle with two curved sides. Again, hold the up and down arrow keys while drawing the shape to change the arc radius. The lozenge will create an elongated circle. There are three methods for creating arcs. Each method requires 3 mouse clicks to use. The Arc tool works by establishing the center first, then click twice more to set the radius distance and the arc itself. The 2-point method works like the Arc tool in SketchUp, setting the 2 endpoints first and then the bulge of the arc. The 3-point method is useful for creating an arc that will touch 3 unique points. The first click starts the arc. The second pins the arc to pass through that point. And the third click finishes. There's also a pie tool which works like the basic arc tool, but creates a full closed pie shape. The circle and polygon tools work just like they do in SketchUp. Click once for the center of the circle, pull away and click again to finish. The polygon tool can have as many sides as you need. Simply type in the number of sides, followed by the letter S for sides. It works like this. Start drawing a polygon, type 3S, and press the Enter key to draw with 3 sides. Type 8S and press Enter for 8 sides. You can also create ellipses in LayOut with the Ellipse tool. This creates a circle or ellipse based on a rectangular bounding box. To learn more about shapes, including how to combine and create complex shapes, as well as controlling the shape color and edge styles through the Shape Style dialog box, be sure to watch the next video on creating shapes.